police driving me insane. Feels like I'm caught in a never-ending game. Clicking and scrolling day and night, trying to find clients, it just ain't right. I'm tired of the hustle, tired of the grind. I need a solution, something that's one of a kind. AI automation is the future I see. No more manual labor, setting myself free. No more manual labor, it's time to rise. AI automation, it's gonna revolutionize. No more searching for leads, in my time I'm gonna build an agency, well that's so far.
So the song you just heard was completely made by AI using a single line of text. The lyrics are completely generated based on the difficulty of finding leads for AI automation agencies, because I thought it's a fun example to use. So to make things even better, I'm going to teach you two amazing things today. Number one is how you can create those songs for yourself. And number two is how you can use that platform to make some extra money on the side. The platform I used is called Suro.ai, and it's probably my favorite music platform for AI that I use for now. It allows you to create super amazing songs using just a couple of text prompts for any kind of genre you can imagine. And the most surprising part is that those songs are actually really good. The first thing you need to do is create an account on Suro.ai, and you do that by simply heading to Suro.ai in the first place and clicking on Make a Song. So in case you don't have an account yet, it asks you to either create one with Discord, I think Microsoft and Google. So I suggest you choose whatever suits you the best. And once you're logged in, you will see a tab like this, which says Explore, and there you will see basically music pieces that other people created. So you can get a feeling for it, what they basically created with it, and the prompts they used behind it. So it again helps you to just create something in a unique style that maybe sounds good to whatever you would like, or what your clients like, which is something I'm gonna explain to you in a short moment. But in case you wanna try it out, all you do is simply head over here to Create, and you will be prompted with a little window where you can set up a custom mode, which we don't gonna do now. And you can also set the song description, which is nothing else than a normal text prompt that you would send to something like OpenAI or Claude or whatever else you're gonna work with. And you can also set if you would like the song to be instrumental, which we don't want, as we would like to have voices in it. And as you see here, I basically already did that, because sometimes there's a queue if you are using free tools or free credits. It's basically a queue. So you sometimes have to wait, and it loads, and yeah, it's just not the easiest in the peak times. But in my case, it doesn't matter. I already created that, and what I basically did is I asked to create a 90s rap about AI automation. So I'm gonna give it one try if the queue is free right now. And if it is, it will basically show you these two songs here. If it is very busy, you will see a message that it's currently taking a little longer than usual, which is if you are trying to create songs in peak times where other people also do the same thing. But nope, it is working perfectly. And what I'm going to do is I will basically just wait until they're ready, and then we're going to listen into them. Alright, as you can see now, the songs are ready. They are highlighted. I can basically play them. But before playing, I simply click on them, and you can see on the right your prompt that you used, and you can also see the lyrics it created. Yo, check it, back in the day we used to earn our keep, etc. So what I'm going to do now with you guys is we are going to listen to them and see how good they actually are.
Yo, check it. Back in the day we used to earn our keep with skills on the mic, dropping rhymes so sweet. But now things have changed, the game ain't the same. We got technology taking over. It's a crying shame. Artificial intelligence, call it AI for short. No time for hesitation.
I did a similar one earlier, which I would like to show you as well, because I thought it was really cool. So we're just gonna listen to that one.
Back in the day when the beats were bumping, rappers on the mic, nothing could stop them. But now we living in a whole new era. AI automation is taking us nearer. Robots on the rise, taking over the scene. Computers spitting rhymes, the rap game obscene.
Yeah, it's just amazing. I think what those AI tools already do is just really, really cool, and I believe this is just becoming better. So you should definitely be aware of that and take advantage of that in the first place. So in case you like a song like this one, what you can do is you simply click on those little dots here, the ellipses, and you go to download, and you can download the song as an audio or as a video. While the video actually is not really a video, but it's more of a just showing the lyrics with the picture and just some background animation. So it's like not an animated video or something like this. You can basically then just copy that and use it in whatever kind of projects you like. Just make sure that you mention them if you're running on the free plan. And by mention I mean Suro.ai. if you are running on one of the paid plans, which is even better, you can also use those songs commercially, which is great. So you can even implement them into your YouTube videos or into any kind of other platform you're basically working with and where you need songs, which is really cool. Or even you just would like to listen to them while you're just outside and you have a feeling about, I don't know, something special and you would like to have a song for that doesn't really exist. You can just literally create it nowadays, which is really awesome. This is all I'm going to add to that. In case you really like a song, you can also edit that song and continue to manipulating it by clicking on continue from this song, which again opens that custom mode window that I mentioned earlier. So here you can basically add your very own lyrics, and you basically need to confirm that those are your very own lyrics, that either you created them, AI created them, and that you basically have the permission to use them in the first place. And again, you can adjust the instrumental style. You can also add a title for it. You can also adjust the length, so you can basically define a custom length and it will create the song until this length, which is really cool if you would like to have custom projects where you basically need to create beats for. So this is basically everything that's to it. You can then just click on continue and it uses the credits. So I definitely suggest just trying it out for yourself, seeing if you like it, if it works out for you. It's not the only tool, there are a couple of tools around, so it always depends on your use case. And in case you would like to see more of those tools on my channel, definitely drop me a comment under the video and I'm going to look into that. Now, once you played around with it for a while and you actually started loving it, we're going to come to the very fun part, which is how to make money using these kind of tools. To do that, you can, for example, sell those songs on a platform called Fiverr, where you can basically offer your freelance services to any kind of potential clients. And I did some research with that, with the keyword create songs. And on Fiverr itself, I found more than 2,600 results of that specific keyword where people basically create music. So there's tons of demand, which is on one hand, obviously a very good thing. On the other hand, you might be concerned that there's already too many people doing those kind of things, which is not fully true, because if you really master what is important to get that skill and what actually gets your clients happy, you definitely have a good chance of making some good money there. Now, if you pick a proper niche to sell your services to for creating those songs, all you need to understand is Suno and how you can create the proper prompts. That's where I'm going to come in. So I have created a list of predefined prompts using ChatGPT that allow you basically to create more advanced music prompts. So instead of really prompting those kind of Suro.ai prompts for yourself, you simply use those kind of master prompts that I created inside of my resource hub. All you do is basically define the scope, so define what your song should have inside, whatever that is basically important to you to have inside of the song. And all you do is you copy that part into the master prompt, you ask ChatGPT about it, it creates you a perfect prompt that you can then again reuse inside of Suro.ai. Just get rid of the tedious task of optimizing those prompts further. You can think about it like a rapper where you literally just define whatever you would like and it spits you out a proper prompt based on your requirements. And if you have never heard my resource hub so far, my resource hub is basically a place where I share all of my free templates and resources, whatever I basically create on my YouTube channel, completely for free. All you need to do is head over to hub.integraticus.com, create an account, and you will get access to all of the resources, can download them and can use them along the way while watching my videos. Now, earlier I mentioned Fiverr, which is obviously just an example. There are tons of other platforms that you can leverage, and maybe even your very own context, or maybe even something that is already in the business you're working in or the industry you're working in. So the possibilities are endless and you don't need to limit yourself to anything. You can literally try whatever works for you. If you would like to have more details about what kind of services you can use to sell those auto-generated songs on, simply drop me a message in the comments. I'm very happy to make more videos about it if I see there's some demand there. For now, I really hope you see the potential in everything I showed you, and I really hope you use it inside of your service offers. Thanks for watching, and for every one of you who liked the song, here is the clean version of it. Enjoy!